Right, I'm going to quickly make a 1 ounce silver solder recovery ingot out of all this stuff, mainly out of that old TV that I scrapped recently. Need a whole bunch of stuff for this. Mould, graphite, malt, crucible, some tongs, gloves, water for quenching, blowtorch, some propane, and obviously scales and something to melt. There'll be quite a bit of dross in this, so I'm going to have to weigh it out a little bit more than the 28 grams. Back 28.6. Got some tiny bits in there. What is it going up? No, that's far too high. 30. 29.9. Less than that. One about 29 because there will be some dross left over. $29.2. That should do. Just over an ounce. And check that. Yep, 1.30 of an ounce. I'll be going in there. Nice angle on that. There we go. The mould I'll be pouring it into is underneath, so it's already will be preheated. Gloves. Probably don't want to use, don't do this without gloves or goggles. Be equipped. Or you will be burned. Quite hot. A little bit of wind at the moment. Shouldn't affect it by here. Turn that down a little bit high. Yeah, there was a lot of dross in there. I can see it all breaking up. Quite a lot of dross in there. Very shiny though. not enough to fill the mould. Well, yeah, there is. You need some agitating. Where's that graphite stirrer of mine? Trying to get this to be around a 1 ounce bar, see? Which would have to be quite thin. So, I'll preheat that on the top a bit. More uniform shape. Turn the propane off. Take that glove off. Ooh, still very nicely hot. Feels nice. Ooh, there was a large amount of dross in there. Appears to be bismuth and lead byproduct. Maybe antimony, something like that. Burned off. Seems to be quite a lot of silver in there. Look at that. See the reflection of the wall in that part? Quite nice. Is it dry yet? No. Still in a liquid state. Should cool down quickly. Not sure if that'll weigh an ounce, so I will quench it now and weigh the thing. As soon as it stops jiggling about. It's losing that shine by there. And it's solidifying. You can see it. That's about solid now. Should be ready for quenching. Yep, that's solid. Who's our problems releasing these things? Ooh, very nice, look at that. Not hot at all. Good. Ooh, this water's cold. Bit over prepared. It's a very nice 1 ounce bar, or at least it should be. Weigh it now. See what it weighs. Ooh, just under an ounce. There was quite a lot of dross in that. Still quite nice. 27.7 grams. Oh, so I was about 0.4 of a gram off an ounce bar. Still quite nice. Silver recovery. Silver solder, mostly from that TV. A nice little bar. So the next metal melt